get a picture of the fish coming. Get the guy with the net.
Here, yeah, I'm just gonna go around this way.
Yeah, you know what? He's good in China because I let him swim around out there.
You got supper tonight?
Oh, I don't know about that.
What is it?
Sheephead.
Sheephead.
Sheep. Oh.
A little nippy. Is it all set just to push the button?
It's already pushed.
The button?
Yeah.
Okay, what we have here is a guy been fighting this fish for about an hour and 15 minutes. It's looking good. And he did it all himself, folks. He got his own net and pulled it in. What do we have here? It looks like a pretty good sized fish. It sure does. But anyways, that's what you have here, folks. To catch it a day. Soon to appear at your supermarkets. Hold on.